Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Leche Flan without a Llanera. First, let's create the caramel. Gently melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly in your heat-safe baking dish over low heat. Swirl the pan occasionally until it turns a beautiful amber color. Be careful not to burn it. Once done, carefully tilt the dish to coat the bottom evenly, then set it aside to cool and harden. Now, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a bowl, gently whisk together 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to elevate the taste. Mix until just combined, being careful not to incorporate too much air. For an incredibly smooth flan, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined dish. With your flan mixture ready, it's time for steaming. Carefully cover your baking dish tightly with aluminum foil. This prevents any water from entering and diluting your flan. Place the covered dish into a larger pot with about 2 inches of simmering water, creating a bain-marie. Steam for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick. It should come out clean. Once steamed, remove your flan from the pot and let it cool completely at room temperature. This gradual cooling helps it set perfectly. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate your Leche Flan for at least 4 hours or even overnight. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, invert it onto a serving plate, and enjoy your delicious, homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.